first part of the all-wheel drive system is here for the Integra. Like I said, like and subscribe because this build is going to be sweet. So, let's check her out. I don't want to ruin this box because I may need it later for shipping. Whoops, already messed up the box. There it is. This is the drive shaft, guys, for the Integra. Here it is. Which I'll go into detail later of what all these parts are from. So for now, here it is. I'm excited. I'm excited for this build. Oh, everyone's doing it though, but I can't wait to get this done on the Integra. The Integra is going to be bad to the bone. So, like I said, guys, like, subscribe, share. This build is coming to this channel, and I will do more videos of the upcoming parts. But, yes, guys, here it goes. All-wheel drive 2000 4-door Integra with the K series. It's on the way, guys.